Hey everyone, we got a problem with our ice maker, but the ice dispenser works just fine. So the water here, okay, that works. Mechanical works, but the ice maker does not dispense water into the tray, nor I believe there's a missing control arm. And oh shit. So up here, see that? I think there's a wire that goes in there. It turns the unit on and off. And the wire goes in here. There we go. And it's missing. There's the There's the dispenser that dispenses water into the tray. I've been using or trying to get this to work for a year, but I don't know how to make it work. I don't know how to remove this or to troubleshoot it. So up here you can see the model. It's an ED2HK AXV Quebec 01. And I would like to get it fixed if that's possible, but I'm not sure exactly what direction. I've got a technical background, but I've never worked on a refrigerator yet. Anyway, any advice is appreciated. Thank you.